Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we are given the table that is representing a sleep researcher's data that was studying the number of dreams people recall when asked to record their dreams for 1 week. And we have group X and group Y, and it is marked both by which group they're in and also the number of dreams they were recalling in that 1 week. And we're asked, if a person is chosen at random from those who recall at least one dream, what is the probability that that person belonged to group Y? So our probability here is going to be the people in group Y who recalled one or more dreams, who recalled, let's call it 1 plus, and this is taken out of everybody who recalled at least one. Okay, a lot of these problems, the denominator is just going to be the total of the entire sample group, but in this case, it is chosen at random, not from the whole group, but from those who recalled at least one dream, and that is why we have a different denominator. So, we can start at this bottom. We have everyone who recalled at least one dream, so we're not worried about group X or group Y, we're just looking at the total, regardless of group, and we're saying recalling 1 or more. So this is not going to include the none, but it's going to be 1 to 4 and 5 or more, because both of those, 1 to 4 and 5 or more, are all 1 plus. So in here we have 39 plus 125. That's going to be our denominator. Then our numerator is group Y, who recalled 1 plus. So staying in this box of 1 plus, right, which isn't just one column, but it's 1 to 4 and 5 or more. Now looking solely at group Y, that's going to be these two values right here, right? Because you had 11 recalling 1 to 4 in group Y and 68 recalling 5 or more. And both of those make up the 1 plus group. Now we just have our fraction. 11 plus 68 is 79. 39 plus 125 is 164. So the probability is 79 out of 164, which lines up with a C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.